Do you remember a time where you were enveloped in the darkness, in a real tough spot in life? Everything seemed mundane, everything seemed down and dark, and you couldn't get yourselves out of it. But then, out of nowhere, a friend, a lover, a random stranger reached out their hand and shared their light with you. This class today is dedicated to those angels in our lives. Gratitude. This is day 9 of 10 for 10 beginners yoga. We're going to take it nice and easy today, embracing a sense of gratitude, the sensation and feeling of gratitude. Laying back flat, knees bent, heels underneath the knees. Lift the right leg up to the sky. And with gentle movements, the right hand hugs around the leg. Flex the foot, lay here, stretching the leg open. Neil Donald Welsh said, struggle ends when gratitude begins. So allow the emotion or the sense of gratitude to rise from within. We're going to rest the right leg now, the heel in particular, onto the left knee for reclined pigeon. We lift the left leg off the ground and we have two options here. The right hand goes inside the leg, the gap that we created. The left hand goes around. Option 1, the hands are underneath the knee. This is easier, more comfortable. Option 2, you go for above the knee. Whatever option you choose, make sure that you are laying flat onto the ground. If you cannot make contact with the head and it's too uncomfortable for you, just use a pillow to lift you up or go for the easier option to release and allow yourselves to lay flat. The eyes are closed. The right foot is flexed so that we can protect the right knee. We lay here in a space of gratitude, remembering this moment or that moment where a friend helped us in life when everything seemed lost, and feeling, remembering how that felt when somebody else reached their hand to brighten up our hearts. We will slowly release both feet down to the ground. We're going to bring the left leg up, hands behind, and pull. Flex the left foot, lay down, close the eyes, feel the sensations in the body, in the muscles that are stretching open. And we're going to guide it into reclined pigeon on the other side. The right ankle on your knee, make sure to flex the foot. And remember the two options. Option 1, underneath. So the left hand goes between the gap. Right hand around. Option 2, above. Lay down comfortably with the shoulders, with the head. Close the eyes and breathe. Gratitude begins with conscious decisions to express it. Even if you don't feel it at the moment, you verbally affirm, I am thankful for this, for that. It all begins from conscious effort. Eventually, the feelings will rise, your heart will open, your life will change. Let's go ahead and release both feet back down to the ground. Nice and easy. Straighten the left leg, flat down, hugging the right knee. Lay flat, and we're going to guide the right knee for a twist all the way to the left of the body. Lay down on the side. If you need a block underneath your knee to help you, you may use it. The right hand opens up to the side, followed by the eyes. Now, if your hand is somewhere up here and you feel tension in the shoulders, we want to avoid that. Just bring the hand inwards in the heart. And from here, allowing weight on the shoulder to bring you closer to the ground, twisting the spine open. And we'll slowly release it through center so we can enter and mirror it to the other side. Straighten the right leg, hugging the left, twist it over to the right. The left hand extends behind you, the eyes follow. Remembering if your hand is somewhere floating up here, causing tension to the arm and shoulder, hug it in and just melt it open. Releasing deep into the spine, twisting it like a dish sponge, getting rid of water, liquids, inviting life and rejuvenation to the spinal column. And we invite the same sense of rejuvenation in our lives with gratitude. We release it slowly back to center as we lay in a modified Shavasana, the feet touching, soles of the feet connected as one, the knees bend out to the side. Opening up into the thighs. If you need any support, you can place cushions underneath the knees or blocks so you can have them comfortably open to the side. The hands rests on the body, left hand heart, right hand belly. Channeling a sense of gratitude within us. Releasing and laying out in deep relaxation, in silence, in peace. And exploring all those memories in our head, memories of situations where we feel thankful for. Surrendering into your breath. Let it go. Release. Begin to invite breath, deeper inhales, deeper inhalations, back to the body, moving the hands, moving the feet, waking it up. Inhale the hands above the head, grab hold of the elbows, stretch the body long and open. Then close the knees together as one, lay out to the side of the body in embryo pose. The head rests on the hands. Blink the eyes open and lift, rise to a seated, comfortable cross-legged position. Day 9, gratitude. Join hands with me in prayer and affirm and repeat after me. Thank you, God, for all that is and for all that isn't. In life, we have many blessings. In life, we have many situations that are not present in our life. We are also thankful for those. Calamities, misfortunes, health issues, a lot of those situations do not exist in our lives. Express gratitude for those. Now, in the description below, you will find the Symphony of Well-Being, a 40-page ebook that I wrote that helps you along this journey of this 10-day yoga practice. Each chapter themed with each lesson to help you both on the yoga mat but also away from the yoga mat. Don't forget to subscribe and join me in this digital shala. With much love, thank you for joining me. Namaste.